Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up the Microsoft Teams free version for personal use. This is a great way to stay connected with friends, family, or small groups without needing a paid subscription, and it gives you access to essential collaboration tools completely free. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to Microsoft.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top navigation menu where you'll find several options. Look for the one that says Plans and Pricing and click on it. This section is where Microsoft showcases all their different subscription tiers and offerings across their various products. After clicking on Plans and Pricing, you'll be taken to a page with different categories. Here, you want to click on Individuals. This filters the view to show options specifically designed for personal use rather than business or enterprise solutions. Scrolling through this section, you'll spot Microsoft Teams Free listed among the available options. Once you've located Microsoft Teams Free, you'll see a button that says Sign up for free. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to another window where Microsoft will guide you through the account creation process. It's a straightforward flow designed to get you up and running quickly. On this new page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. Now, you might be thinking this seems backwards since you're trying to create an account, but Microsoft uses the same entry point for both signing in and creating new accounts, which we'll handle in the next step. On the sign-in page, look for the text that says New to Microsoft. Right below or next to it, you'll see highlighted text that reads Create an account. Click on this highlighted text to begin setting up your brand new Microsoft account. Now, you'll be prompted to input your email address. Type in the email you want to associate with your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure it's an email you have access to because Microsoft will send a verification code to this address. After entering your email, check your inbox for the code. It should arrive within a minute or two. Once you receive it, copy the code and paste it back into the Microsoft page where it's requesting verification. This step confirms that you own the email address and helps secure your account. After you've successfully verified your email with the code, Microsoft will complete the creation of your new account. At this point, your Microsoft Teams free version will be ready to use for personal communications and collaboration. And that's it. You've successfully set up Microsoft Teams free version for personal use, and you can now start inviting contacts and organizing your conversations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.